Okay, so let's go ahead and take out the phone, and we'll come back to it just a bit. Take a look inside. And of course, this is one of the biggest changes. It includes a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is one of the main features I was waiting for to go ahead and upgrade to a new iPhone. So it's definitely a nice upgrade from older Apple iPhone cables in that it is a braided cable, as you see here, very nice quality. It's important to note that you're only gonna get USB 2.0 speeds with this cable. So if you want to take advantage of the iPhone 15 Pro's faster USB speeds, you'll definitely want to get a different cable that supports those speeds. So this little pamphlet here just tells you that you no longer need a physical SIM card. You can activate your iPhone with an eSIM during iPhone setup. Just some warranty information, an Apple sticker, and that's about it. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at the iPhone Pro Max Natural Titanium. And here is the cover peeled off. That's what the front looks like. And there's no cover in the back. Here we see the nice camera system coming from an iPhone XS Max. This whole camera system looks way bigger than what I'm used to, so I'm sure I'll get used to it. But wow, it's a good chunk of the back of the phone here. So of course you have your 3 different cameras, as well as the LED light, as well as another sensor. I really like the finish on this natural titanium. It looks really nice. Here on the edges we see the nice brushed metal finish. Of course we have the power button right here, and here's the top of the phone. Here's the other side. Of course the biggest change is now, in addition to the volume buttons you see here, you have this action button that you can program to do pretty much whatever you want. And taking a look at the bottom here, of course the biggest change since the previous iPhones is the support for USB-C. And again, this is one of the main reasons I upgraded to this phone. And of course here we have some holes for the speaker and microphones. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for the first time and see the brightness of the screen and all that. And yeah, just holding it on my hand, this phone seems pretty big. I know that physically it is bigger than the iPhone XS Max, but looking at the screen, the bezels are much smaller. As you see, is just a thin line going around the phone. And of course up here you have the dynamic island. Right, as you can see on this phone, the colors are very vibrant. They just really pop out. And this phone was expensive, so I do want to protect it. So in case you guys are interested in how I'm going to be protecting it, I did pick up the Spec Presidio 2 Pro case here, and I did quite a bit of research. This is the one I recommend. If you don't want a clear case, then this is the one to get. It does have this built for MagSafe feature. It has additional magnets here that's going to help with the MagSafe charging.